to the mix, and on the mix we have Marcia. Now, this video is something, she's still talking about the event with the roach that they showed on a video with her, and so that's still going on. So she's letting them know, she's coming back for them, and that will be soon. So go catch the video and what she has to say. And remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment to the channel. And remember to have a wonderful, wonderful evening.
Whatever, no blood clot place full of rat and roach. You understand me? Who no can't chat to me? No matter how no clean, no see something wrong. Who not talk to? Who no think you're talking to? Eh? Oh, who no think you're talking to? Who not for come better than that? I am what me say. Bring it on. Bring it on. Bring it on, mother heifers. Bring it on. Bring it on. Who no can't shade me? The video, remember people. The video gone from July, August. And I know the boy I bring out here. You know, sister, the boy vindictive. Look, first of all, him 4 days ago, them are searching, 4 days ago, and up until today, dear. Me kind of puzzle because guess what? Me kind of puzzle about it now one way. Because I said to myself, say, me put the backlog ground. I ground me have a backlog, rest of ground, me sit down, me kind of puzzle, and I said, oh, the hell isn't it upon it? But you see, true, me go up on my original videotape and me see something, me kind of, because I didn't believe it. Because I didn't know that was possible. Because I never saw any. So it's like, it's to me, that's why I come out and cuss and I say, no, that's the Photoshop, because everybody else who view certain videos, you don't see it, and it just pop up in the buckle, so. And when you look on the video where them do certain, they see different color, the discoloration of the video or whatever, but true, me go up on my original video and I see something, me have to just accept it and say, it was there. But to me, it's still confusing to me. It's still confusing to me. To tell you the truth, me not lie. Because if you look on the videos them out there where them have, you see say all the pictures them. It's two different. The buckle is dull, one buckle is bright, one buckle is dull or whatever. I don't know what is happening, to tell you the truth. Because it's puzzling to me. It's really and truly puzzling to me. Because you talk to people and say, man, say no, something Photoshop, something. I don't know what to say. Because you guys can analyze, but the true me know some people out there regardless when they come to me. Me not feel no way. Me just explain to them doing because me not feel no way. So me say tell you. And let me tell you something, Miss Lady of Jamaica. Cause me realize say you drop out for me hard about $48,000. A matter of fact, I got the figure wrong. It wasn't $48,000, it was $68,000. A mistake me make. Your bill was $68,000. But true me already slipped with the $48,000. Your bill wasn't $48,000. Your bill was $68,000. Not $48,000, $68,000 for you and your entourage. But I made a mistake and I said to my friend them, say, me know what, me come and tell you the truth. Miss Lady, come and see you drop order. The time you come there drop order, and I give you $48,000 drop out for me. Go take the $48,000 and go see one plastic surgeon and go suck out the big piece of fat them between your leg. So when you stand up, me not have to see the big fat them under your leg. And go use it and go so you can stand up properly. When you come on Facebook and talk about you know in a mix up and you're in trouble. When you are the one going around recruiting these motherfuckers to come on Facebook and cuss me off. And then you dip on bed, know where people send me. And it's got directly to me. Go and take that blood clot $48,000 and go do liposuction and suck out the fat from underneath your two legs. So when you stand up enough, you're crisscross. You know, sister, your leg, them might get too ass big. Eh? You know, sister, them might get too big. And when you stand up and crisscross, if fat a show, go suck it out. And move your blood clot from your girl. And we are come and drop out pan every day. About you, give you 48 hours. Go suck yourself and go from your girl. How you think it is? Send out your entourage them from me. And then you come talk about say, nah, get trouble. You not drop out. You not have nothing for do. Go sell your blood clot all KM. And that if you go do. You come and drop out pan people like you ain't nobody. You ain't nobody. Eh? A 68 blood clot $1,000 you owe me. It was the $68,000. Take that and go put on your 48,000 where you have and go suck out your blood clot leg if you have fat them between your leg. And get and first of all, you come and drop out to you and you the rest of blogger them both, you know, wear synthetic wig. You used to nothing? When we met you, where you didn't have on your head? No one blood clot is a cutter. You didn't have on nothing for your head good? When you come and talk about you have to go wear synthetic wig, you know wear synthetic wig? Eh? Yeah, all I know we are talking about now wear synthetic wig. You know right if you can't wear synthetic wig or human synthetic wig because you take una money, una buy una money and use it and buy dear wig and I take false dick. So I rather to have synthetic wig for my head and get a real dick while uno I buy dear wig and I get a false dick under una foot. What about that? What about that? The time when uno I wear expensive wig, the time when uno out there wear expensive wig and I brag about it, I guarantee uno don't have a real man in our bed. You understand me? What you don't have in our bed is a false dick and illusion to boast about man when I want to know. At least if me are there with a security man or me are there with one postman or me are there with one mechanic man, the man, uno can't hear the man come. Uno can't hear the man come knock on my door. Bam, bam, bam. Almost every night. Uno can't hear that. You understand? Uno can't hear the man come knock on my ghetto door. Yes, I'm a dirty rat infested house. Uno can't hear that. But me not hear nobody come knock on the door. All me hear the social media 24 blood clot 7 and live in a coronation market. Go take the blood clot $68,000 where you make this year and take it and go plastic surgery. I go finish your blood clot house. And that you figure do. The time you come there, I drop out on people. I know 48,000 and 68 blood clot $1,000 you have for me. Take that bomber clot and take it and put it by your house. And put it and go do plastic surgery. Go get a dermatologist, go get a skin peel. You black crusty blood clot, big heavy blood clot cowgirl. How you think you drop out pan? Move, get the fuck out of here. Who you think you is? You ain't nobody. All you is a ghetto blood clot trash. You think if you want to say you're done a Jamaica, you're not done a blood clot America, go sit yourself down. You look like a blood clot hippopotamus. How you think you is? You ain't nobody. Who are you? And me put you where you is. Me America, my US blood clot dollar give you where you have. Jamaican little piece of currency can't give you one pussy clot shit. My bomber clot US dollar put you up. Boy, you come count out money pan bed and I give yourself trouble. Who you think you is? Use a grease can. Top God blood clot church. Go give a bomber clot money where you not earn. You not earn it. Stop give away blood clot charity money to church. Charities to give away to people. Don't go on like you donate charity money to church when you work it. Go give away your 10%. Don't give away people blood clot money when you get in your hand. You're bright and out there. You're too fucking enough. You're too bright and out there. You're too fucking show off. You can't show off on me. You have to show off on people who never live no life. You have to show off on people who not travel around the world. You have to show off on people who never have no boot and clothes and no live no way, no used to no house. You down there on a fair place, big blood clot drummer roach around all over your house. You understand me? You have to go chat to